are many definitions of sales enablement, and at STR we believe it is the process of enabling your sales team to match your buyers' needs with your company's capabilities to fulfill your corporate strategy and objectives. At STR we recognize that every sales team is different, so we've devised a rigorous discovery process to help identify how your sales team can be more quickly and efficiently aligned to your strategies and objectives. By identifying the gaps, we can help you initiate change and drive improved sales performance. Your objectives, revenue, margin, market share, along with product and market intelligence, research, product and services marketing information, all need to be fully shared with your sellers' universe by your sales team. And this means everyone from inside sales to field sales and large account teams, from first-line sales managers to sales leaders, and all levels of sales support and operations should be fully aware of the strategies and objectives of their company. When your sellers are fully aligned to your strategy and they are fully informed about the objectives, they can confidently match their buyers' needs and provide value. How they do this, the processes and the tools they use are also vital to the successful enablement of the sales team. And finally, the culture of your organization is reflected in how well your sales team embraces and demonstrates their expertise in all these areas. As a result of this, we believe that rather than sales enablement, it should really be called Salesforce enablement. For many companies, however, the reality is that the sales force is not enabled. Corporate strategy is perceived as a head office or senior management thing. It's not part of the compensation plan, so it's often overlooked. All the work done to produce tools for the sales force, marketing collateral, research, new product information is often viewed by the sales force as irrelevant and not aligned to the buyer universe, and as a result, your efforts fail to produce any return on investment. Roadblocks can occur through lack of communication and alignment, the reluctance or inability of sales management to take ownership of the issues, and salespeople lacking motivation to change. In your sellers' universe, if your sales managers are not equipped to coach or do not have time to truly manage, they are not shaping the business skills of their teams, and so little will change. The sales force will carry on doing the same as they always have, and expected improvements will not happen. For the buyers, they want to be fully understood and talked to in their own language, and they want to buy in the ways that suit them. To truly enable all of this and to establish the right culture for this to take place, the reality of Salesforce enablement in your own corporate culture needs to be examined. STR can help you discover the reality of Salesforce enablement in your organization so that you can see the gaps between your perceptions and strategy and what is actually happening. We do this by understanding your corporate objectives and then exploring how these are translated into the support materials, tools, and required skills for your selling universe. We then use 5 key questions to discover the reality in your sales organization. What activities and outcomes are expected from the role? Can your team do the job? Are they doing the job? Have they got the right tools to do the job? And are they achieving the right outcomes? This gives you vital data that will inform your training and development strategy, even your hiring strategy for new sellers. We then look at the support for your sales teams. We validate that marketing initiatives are being properly executed through your sales force, that research into customer personas and market trends is being translated into well-crafted value propositions. We examine the workflows of your sales force to see how well they spend their time, and very importantly, what they ignore or decide is not relevant to their success. We also look closely at the role of sales management and leadership, and their ability and willingness to coach to deliver higher achievements. The STR Discovery Process has helped our customers in telesales through to selling to the C-level, from helping to define the sales manager role to implementing successful transformation to a coaching-led sales culture. In around 4 weeks, we will interview salespeople, high performers as well as average performers, sales managers, lines of business leaders, marketing, sales operations, and if required, a selection of your clients. The outputs, role competency profiles, technology, collateral and support audits, and coaching cadence suggestions will form the basis of a transformation strategy for your sales organization, which can be used standalone or as part of an ongoing project to implement change. Most organizations are constantly reviewing the performance of their sellers. You may be considering the growing role of technology in that process. You'll be looking to develop the talent within your sales teams, and you need to have effective management throughout that process. STR can help you discover the reality today and the next best steps to truly enabling your sales organization. Please contact one of our team to find out more about how we can help you. Thank you for watching.